In a normal cell, what occurs is a beta cell in the pancreas releases things called insulin. Insulin connects to receptors in the cell membrane, which open channel proteins and allow glucose to pass through into the cell. In type 1 diabetes, the beta cells in the pancreas are attacked by the immune system, causing diabetes type 1 to be an autoimmune disorder. What happens when these beta cells are attacked is insulin is not produced, which makes glucose impossible to get inside the cell because the insulin is not unable to connect to the receptors. This disease is genetic and, as I said before, an autoimmune disorder. In type 2 diabetes, your pancreas does not make enough insulin or does not make insulin at all. This also causes the receptors to not open the channel proteins and allow glucose to enter. However, the difference between type 2 diabetes and type 1 diabetes is that type 2 diabetes is caused by obesity and is not an autoimmune disorder. Also, in type 2 diabetes, there can be abnormal receptors, which also do not allow insulin to connect and allow glucose into the cell. An effect for too much glucose being in the blood is something called hyperosmolarity, which happens when there's too much sugar in the blood and causes you to urinate frequently and also causes dehydration.